So I thought I was having problems with the Osman app, but I realized it's not the app, it's the unit itself is not, it's just not picking up the GPS. I wonder if it's loose back there, if I didn't plug it in right. I'll pull it out in a second and give it a look-see and see what's up. Yeah, this was a cool spot. Let me make sure it's on Gaia. Or did I mark it on Gaia? Alright, so I left the house around 6:30. It is now 9:30. So 3 hours I've been riding around and this and that. And the GPS finally came on the unit, on my Osman app. So that's exciting, but that's frustrating. To take it that long to get here, it's just, oh God. So I don't know if it's loose in there or not. I'm not gonna mess with it while it's working. The moment it stops working again, or if it stops working. I wanna say well, actually I know I had this problem before already. And it took it a little while to get going. But I'm not gonna mess with it. First dirt road. I don't know who in the heck's gonna be sitting up there hunting off of a road. Like, why would you do that? I got my orange hat and vest that I need to, look at this, yeah, I need to get out of here. I don't want to mess with people's stuff. The moment I see the moment I see somebody, I'm out. I'm gonna get out. Dirt road. This isn't I usually don't mark one-way roads, like dead-end roads, unless they are just epic. But let's see what's here at the end. If this ends up having a nice spot to chill, have lunch, and that kind of thing when I'm on the road, then I'll mark it and have that, you know, this is a cool spot to take a break. So either start out here for breakfast or lunch, or you end up here for lunch, or end up here for dinner. It's really odd though, those hunting spots right at the road. I mean, easy to get to, easy to use, but this is nice. This is enjoyable, this dirt road. Nice and narrow, and yeah. I didn't see the break on the road back there. I missed it. I'll try to catch it on the way back. I was looking at the map. Like I said, I'm going a little quicker than I probably should be. Hunting thing going on there, and that's cool. Definitely will mark this road if there's something good at the end. Even if it's just a lake picnic spot where you can pop out and fish a little bit or hang out and see the water. This has already been good. Good. Looks really cool right here. If you can see it, because you can see the water out that way. Oh man, yeah. Oh man, yeah, epic spot here. I would camp it. don't know if you can or not. I don't see signs saying no camping, but this is what I wanted to find before. Oh, the bugs are crazy. Yeah, perfect, wonderful spot. How busy does it get? How many people really fit here without bothering each other? Seems like there's somebody off to the right. If you're looking at the trees, they're off to the right where the sky is. I see a puff of smoke, and I'm not sure if somebody's fishing in a boat or if there's a person there, a group there, person there fishing. That's marked. I'm definitely gonna use this spot as at least a rest area spot or something else. I can't, it's over there on the right. I can't tell if there's a car over there or not, but yeah, definitely a good spot. Epic find. Epic find. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And will be one you're gonna see more of here on this channel. There's no signs that say no night use, no day use only, no camping. I don't see any signs at all. Like, so, oh, GPS is back. Yeah. So, yeah, that picked up. That's the way it should pick up. I give it a minute or two, that's fine. 3 hours, not fine. Oh, what a cool spot. Like, I want to bring the Wiz tomorrow there. Bring the paddleboards, kayaks, everything, and just come out, hang, fish, do nothing. Part of me is like, I should have stayed there. Should have stayed there. What time is it? Yeah, 10 o'clock. I could have stayed there a couple hours just hanging. There wasn't good places to fish right off the bank, but if I had my kayak and stuff, then could go in and get to the coves and stuff like that to fish. Less traveled, plus is dirt and so we'll keep going here. I think this next road will be paved up here. I thought it was gonna be dirt, but it's not gonna be. But this is all dirt when I didn't know it was gonna be, so that's cool. This is really nice. Yeah. Boo to people throwing out trash. And that's the people you have to worry about when you're out camping, in my opinion. Those trashy people. You have to be careful with those. Alright, let's see if this one takes us to a cool spot like that last one. And we'll give it a Jeep symbol if it goes all the way out to some wondering if you can camp because it's a forest. I need to look up some rules about South Carolina forests. This was nice and tight. Looks like not much traffic comes in through it, or as much traffic comes in through here as that last one. Oh, might not go as far though. Got a few things I wanted to do, and then I could cook lunch. I'm already getting a little bit hungry, so I could say, you know, the next spot, this could be my next spot. Let's see what it looks like. Still got a little ways to go down through here. The road is nice, wonderful. I give it a, you know, I would give it a 10 because it's very remote feeling and looking, but it doesn't go to another road like dead end roads to me, unless they are like the last one. Unless it goes somewhere good. This is nice though. It didn't look very used. Still doesn't look very used, but back there definitely didn't feel very used. We're hitting trees with, I know I have a taller than normal car, but because of the rooftop tent, but still, we're hitting things a lot. Man, look at this. There's a building here. Doesn't make it all the way to the water. You're close up here. It's pretty cool. Ooh, didn't want to do that.